Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss some key important levels for Nifty in the upcoming week. And the reason why I told let's wait till 13th November before we decide whether the market is going for ATH or is it going for a crash. Now, in front of your screen, you can see that these are nothing but your fixed range volume profile FRVP. I have made a separate video for this. I have told you what my settings are and how to use them. Now, simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you why these levels are important, what is happening here. But before that, I told you that this is no use. These levels are no use if you don't understand what is the structure of the market. So first, let us go discuss the structure of the market. And one of the recent videos, what did I tell you? That when there is a fast move like this, so let's take the daily time frame. This is Nifty daily time frame. We had a discussion in the previous video on the weekly time frame. So now we're talking a smaller time frame a little bit. Daily time frame, we saw a fast move, which is nothing but your pump. Or this is nothing, it's not, if it's not a pump, it's an extension. So what happened was market came back down to the exact same level, correct? Right now it's slowly hovering here. That's all right. That's fine. We know this has happened. And the next step, usually what market does is after a fast move, either we go for an internal range retracement and then we go down further, right? So this is the most likely play. What is it? The internal range pullback on top, or there are two types of pullback. What are they? If you have learned the Elliot Wave Master Course, you know there's usually an ABC pattern. This is nothing but your regular correction, right? Regular correction, or else sometimes market goes complete sideways, right? Complete sideways. Now, some people are asking similar question that, sir, what if the bounce comes from exactly from here and we go all the way to ATH, right? What I'll tell you is very simple. Before you judge that, okay, before you decide and think that, okay, market is going for ATH, first I want you to observe this area of price. First do that. So what is happening in the market nowadays is nowadays in social media, Twitter, YouTube, whatever, people are just giving blind targets. So there's a lot of hungry retailers to make fast money. What are the people doing that? So the demand, supply and demand again. The supply is with the people who have good followers or YouTube piece people. What are they doing is simply is giving ATH target ready. This is the SL. They have nothing. They lose nothing. They just give one view, blind view. That's all, right? ATH target and SL here, or this SL is here. So there's a lot of hungry people, retailers who want to make money fast. This is the entire game where market, the fast money mindset will lose, slow money mindset will win. Okay, slow money mindset is nothing but your continuous back to back to back. You keep making slowly regular consistent profits. But game here is totally different right now. What has happened in the 1 hour chart, if you see, especially for next week, the previous week there was a fall, a sharp rise, and then a sharp fall again. The question is, how can you give a target for ATH when there's a sharp rise and sharp fall? It's smarter to just wait, right? It's smarter to just wait and see what is happening. Now, the people who don't know the structure of the market, it's very simple. Here, there was a pull rise here. I told you in the previous weekly analysis video that people are thinking this is one of the pattern. This is your A wave, your B wave, your C wave extended, right? This is what we discussed. And we discussed what? Retracement levels. So if it comes to 38 to 50% retracement zone, right? And market bounces from here, then you can think about ATH, you can think about whatever you want to. But this does not happen. Market broke below it. So what is our alternate scenario? In this case, the alternate scenario was wait and watch, because this part is going to be deadly, right? This part is going to be deadly. So if this entire rise is your A wave, your B wave can be anything. Your B wave can be anything. So don't be in a hurry right now at the moment. That's why I told you, you wait till 13th November. What is 13th November? There is a important data, CPI inflation data, which is coming out, right? So the elections, US market elections are over. We saw this is the impact apparently, right? Which I don't believe that. This is the impact which came in the markets, global markets. Bitcoin all-time high, all-time high, all-time high, no problem. Then we had a Fed interest rate decision, right? On 8th, Fed interest rate decision on 8th. It did not do anything to the market of Nifty. It just went sideways. So is it a non-event, or did the US market elections has more weightage than the Fed event? We don't know, right? We don't know that yet. So what you need to focus for next week right now is, like I told you, this zone is going to be dangerous for all retailers. Why? Because if again this is your A wave and we have broken 30 to 50% zone and we are down in a B wave. So B wave shape can be anything. It can be a regular ABC, right? It can be a regular ABC pattern. It can be what else? It can be a triangle like this, right? It can be like this. Or right now, market can simply do this. It can go down like this slowly, or go back up and then fall down. So like I told you, this can be a 13th, right? Like I told you, this part is going to be confusing. So what did we do? We are going to apply your FRVP. There is a fixed range volume profile. All right. The fixed range volume profile, like I showed you earlier. Let me just put it on. Let me delete this. I'll explain to you step by step. Let me delete the levels here. Okay. I'll leave the zone so that you clearly understand what is happening. So for now, I'm taking the most recent swing. What is the most recent swing here? Here to here. This is one down move, right? Again, if you want to study the FRVP, the fixed range volume profile settings, I'll put the video link in the end of the video. You can watch it from there, or directly you can go search in the YouTube channel as Retail Army channel. You can find it there on the top, right? Now, in this drop, what did I do? I just placed my fixed range volume profile between these two candles here. This is a 15-minute chart. You can use whatever chart you want. Let me just put it. Yeah. So what do you see here? You see in this entire price action, there was one down move, pull back, and drop. Correct? This is what you see right now. Here, what do you see in this is that I've told all my settings also. You can watch that. In this area, there are buyers. Blue color buyers, red color sellers, purple, blue, everything I've explained. Value area, values, everything. Now, buyers here came into the market. It's very clear buyers came into the market. Market jumped up. Okay. Market jumped up and market immediately broke this zone with a big strong candle. So what happened was buyers got trapped in this region. Okay, done. Noted. Okay. We have noted this, that buyers have got trapped in this zone. Nothing fancy. We just noted it. Done. Analysis done for this range. Now we have the next rally which came in the market from this low all the way till here. Okay. We have the next rally in the market. So let's check the FRVP, fixed range volume profile, for this. And let's see if there is some important zone. Okay. First important zone on the bottom, you can see at this point. What is the price action telling you? Market went up, came back down, and then rallied. All right. This is what the price action is telling you. At this part, right, there was a huge buyer. You can see this blue color. Let me just change the color here. Yeah. You can see this huge buying activity happened at this point, and market dropped from here. Huge buying activity happened, and in this drop, okay, now watch. In this drop, I have selected, let me show it to you again, it'll be very clear. I am selecting green color candle here at the low, okay, green color candle to the next green color candle. So I'm choosing only the green color candles. Now watch what is happening. Green color candle to the next green color candle. What do you see here? You see huge amounts of shorts in the market. Red, 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 purple, 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 right? So a lot of shorts are sitting here who are trapped now. Lots of shorts are trapped. And where is the value area? Main point of control is at this point. Okay, noted down, done. We have noted the zone. Okay, cool. Now, there's another important point here. Market on this date, this is nothing but your fifth, okay? Fifth, fifth day times. For us in the evening, the US election results came out, so it does not matter. But right now, watch this. Market closed exactly at this point. This zone, previous important zone, old trap zone. Market closed exactly at this point, and there was huge selling volume at this point. Okay, red color, huge selling volume at this point. What did the market do? It just bounced next day. So who's trapped here? Somebody's trapped. Okay, second time this level is playing importance. Second time the same zone is playing importance in the full price action scenario is happening now. Now let me take the fall from this red candle to this one. All right, this is the swing right now, right? This is the swing we have right now. This is not the swing yet because the market did not break it on the upside or anywhere. So we'll take this swing now. We'll see what is the market telling us. Again, I'm telling you, watch the FRVP video so you will understand this better. Here, what do you see that in the price action, market came fast down, and right now it is a little bit sideways. Okay, where is most of the action? The point of control is at this point. So if I just extend these levels, you can see this zone is again playing a huge importance for the third time. All right. So what I'll do is I'll just mark the levels here. This is nothing but your 24,220 and then your 24,184 level. So 180, take it approximately 24,180 to 220 level is key for next week. Understood? This and the lower zone over here. What is this lower zone? Let me just mark it. The lower zone is 24,000 and 23,960, 970, 960 to 24,000, 30-point range. So in between this, what are you going to do? In between this two, what are you going to do? Nothing. We have nothing to do because market can go sideways, whatever it wants to, but we know if market wants to bounce, it has to bounce from here. If it wants to break out, it will break out from here. If market wants to fall, it has to break this zone fast. We have a low risk setup at this zones only because these are points of control. Okay, points of control, and this one is major because this is not once, three times it gave us good uh, value areas. All right, so this is your key levels you must note for next week. Now when you have this, all right, when you have this, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and see the structure of the market. Now in the structure of the market, you understood that market dropped here. If this is a correction going on right now, right, if this is a correction going on and a sideways pattern like this becomes very easy. Not like this. One second, give me a second. Yeah, pull back, going down like this. If this is a sideways pattern, it's very easy for us to look for a continuation setup on the downside. Continuation. Why continuation setup? Simple, because I've always taught you in the Elliot Way master course also, when price is before a consolidation, if it is bearish, right, after consolidation, breakout will also be bearish. Same thing if it's bullish, same thing, the previous move before consolidation is bullish, market will again go bullish after the consolidation. All right, so point here is that you must understand the structure, what is happening. That's why I said wait till 13 will tell you what exactly the market is trying to do on a higher time frame. But for a lower time frame, exactly for tomorrow and the next first 2 days, just watch what market is trying to do. Is it trying to go down like this slowly, or is it bouncing higher? We'll see that in using the Gann levels now. When we go to the Gann levels, these are the levels which, it will take probably months for me to explain the importance of each point, which angle is coming and hitting. So what I want you to do is that last week, what happened? The level of 430, 24,430, and we had another level of 24,480, right? 24,480. Now these two levels, this is your weekly level, intra-week, all right? Intra-week 430 was the level. This is monthly, right? For month of November, this was an important level. What happened was market came near this level here, 430, and yeah, 480, and market rejected from the top. So we are not just blindly using Gann levels, we are combining it with different time frames. Now this is the key. This is the key which people won't understand. So I can't explain it to you right now because I think retailers are not ready for this kind of trading or analysis. So what I'm going to do is I'm just giving you the levels now itself blindly. Okay. The first level you must note is 24,400 on top. I'll keep updating these levels in the Telegram group. Please join there or else follow me on Twitter. I'll do it in the live market. I'll sometimes sell, which is important. There are major levels and minor levels. So first, what you want to do is you want to mark the major levels. Strong turns happen near your major levels. If market is in a corrective state near your major levels, for example, this point here, 23,800, 23,838, right, was last week major level. Okay, last week major level. What did the market do? It came here, made a low within 20 points range, and we got a 700 point bounce. Okay, 700 point bounce. I've shared all this in Twitter, so you can go and check that. Now, this top level was again a major level. We got a good 300, 400 points fall. The trick here is if price is consolidating near a major level, right? It will travel to the next minor level. Now, see, that's what I'm telling you. People are not ready for this kind of analysis, and my favorite thieves are sitting and watching this video, so they are ready to steal these levels. They'll just change 5 points, 10 points, and they'll give it to their paid groups. I know this is happening, so I'm not going to right now discuss how to draw all this. I'm just giving you the levels. It's a shortcut method, so note it down. 24,400, that is the first important level you must follow. 24,400 at this point, the red color lines here, and this one lower is 24,400 noted down. The next one is 23,230. These are big ranges, right? 23,816. These are the major three levels right now. The minor level in between is 24,108. So for now, mark all these four levels in your charts. All right. Important time zone for next week is near your 12th November, 2:15 p.m. 2:15 p.m. 12th November. 15-minute chart. All right. So you have important time, and now you have critical levels also to watch. Again, let me tell you, if there's a spike or there's some other important move, I will update it in the live market. Right. So that time I cannot make a video. I'll be sharing it via Telegram or else Twitter. So make sure you have joined that. Now you have important levels for the next week. Is it okay for you to just know the levels? No, right? You have to know the context, meaning what market is doing at that time. So that time is more important. So if the market, like I told you, on 13th, if this is an A, B pattern and C pattern, A, B, C pattern, and market falls down near your 12th or 13th, this level becomes important, right? For us, it becomes very important. Similarly, if the market goes down like this and bounces before that, then these levels become important, right? Where market can take resistance. So again, context is important. Now, question for you is, should you wait? Should you wait till 13th or 12th to find a setup? It's only 2 days, Tuesday, right? So should you wait till that? No, you don't need to wait. You can, again, depends on your style. If an option buyer, I told you, I've told this many times, option buyer and futures player must have critical levels as well as time. Okay. Option seller, very simple. Market is below this, you know what to do, right? Market tests one level and then bounce, you know what to do, right? Very simple. So these are what PEs. What I want the option sellers to do is very simple. Wait till market touches one of your major levels. Don't do the minor levels. Minor levels sometimes gives importance. Again, context matters. Major levels are powerful. So if you know, if you're advanced level in advanced using your Elliot Wave master course in the advanced concepts, if you know that, okay, then use the minor levels. So option sellers, just watch this. Again, I want you to trade in your demo accounts and practice. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm not telling you where to buy and sell. All right. What I'm trying to tell you is you want to learn, you want to practice near these major levels first. Okay. So you have noted weekly levels. You have noted important time. Now, question is what are the levels for tomorrow? Before I go into tomorrow, you must understand the higher time frame. What happened in Nifty using the monthly levels. Now it's getting a little bit complicated. It's getting it suffocated, right? I'm giving you weekly levels. I'm telling you monthly levels. Now it's getting suffocated. See, what I'm trying to teach you is it's not easy, right? It's not easy to do analysis like this. I am doing it for you so that you don't have to do it. All right. So all I want from you is just hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any doubts. I can reply to them immediately. I read all the comments. And there was one comment recently in the Hindi channel where someone asked, I'll tell you that after this analysis. First, look at the monthly chart. What happened? 24,487, right? 24,480. We took the round level as 24,480. Second, we should have taken as 490, but no problem. We took it as 480. What happened here? Market came, date, time first. 5th November was the date, right? What is the minor level here? Minor angle was here, 24, 132. So when time and price meet, this level becomes charged because time will go away, level will remain for the entire month. All right. 24, 132 is an important zone. Let's take 10 points up and down. Take that zone and keep it. What you want to do next is watch what happens near one of the major levels. This is a minor level. Market went down and again up. It crisscrossed twice. But what if I told you that if market instead of 5th November, if market touches this point on 5th November, this will give you a major support of resistance, maybe top of the month or maybe low of the month. But what market didn't do that, it came the next day. Next day it came and touched this level, and this is acting right now as a very, very strong resistance point. This is nothing but one of the COG, center of gravity. All right, again, terms, technical terms. So I don't want to go deep, and nobody taught me this. I have derived it on my own. Gann definitely spoke about COG, center of gravity, but I really need, if anyone has Gann's own published books or something, if anyone wants to share, I would really love to read them, but I have tried to derive all these by my own. All right. So there's no one who's going to come and help me. Nobody's helping me. I'm doing it on my own. So definitely, if you find these useful, these levels, do let me know. Right now, it's very simple. These levels are not going to change. Always remember, higher time frame levels are powerful, more powerful. So this is your intra month. We're using 1 day time frame. The next one was 15-minute time frame for the weekly. The first power, we are going to combine both. We don't want to ignore a smaller time frame because we are looking for a setup. Suppose we are looking for a weekly setup. We have to keep your weekly levels in mind. Also, we'll keep your higher levels in mind. Okay. So right now for the higher level, if you see the lower side, 23,700 is there. Let me just check the weekly. Let's see if there's any 23,700 level. There's 23,800, 816 level. Okay. That is, I think, the low of previous week. That is there. So that small 30-point range is there. All right. Now let me see what else is there. 23, 130, 24, 480. 23, 130, 24, 480. So 100, 24, 100 is here. 100. So 24 108 to 24 130 is there. 138. So we'll take it as 140. This is one important zone now. Okay. It has both higher time frame and lower time frame. Keep that in mind. 24 108 to 138. Next, we had 480, right? 24 480 and 400. This is the next important zone. Obviously, lower is 780 to 800. Now, question is, sir, what if something breaks? What if something rebounds, market goes in rebounds levels? Again, I told you option buyer, option seller, futures. What is the best action? Now, many of you are, have the energy chart video. I've told how you can manipulate or know in advance if it is a good time or bad time for you. What is your luck energy? What is your workflow energy? Some people have very good energy, but their work energy is very bad. Okay, so if you are suppose a doctor or some important role, right, doctor, or you're working in the police force or anywhere, you have no choice. You have to have good energy all the time, or else good energy in your work. So these are very critical professions where life is on the line, especially doctors. So doctors, if you have a good energy, if you have bad energy but your work is also bad, right, that time you have to be extra cautious. You cannot afford. Obviously you have enough training, I know. Like that, even traders, if you have a bad time running, you cannot afford to take unnecessary risks. Again, energy chart, I always give in the beginning of the month. We had limited amount of people to take it, and got wrapped up. The amount people came and took, it was very fast this time. So next month again I'll open it towards the end of the month. So that time be careful. I'll keep you updated on the Telegram group, so follow that. Here my point is option buyer, seller, and futures. Once you understand key zones in the market, only thing you need to do is match with your price structure. Okay, that's all you need to know. What is this price structure? Again, study the Elliot Way Master Course. You will clearly understand. All you need is one swing. Every week there will be one swing where you can easily understand. So like from this point last week, market went down here, dropped, took support, went back high. This is one swing, an ABC pattern or whatever pattern you want to call it, 1 2 3 4 5. This is clearly right now it looks like an ABC. So very simple. There'll be one swing. All you need to do, and it happens nearly always near your minor levels or your major levels. Most likely your major levels, but keep your minor levels also intact. Very simple. All right. Levels are there. I have given you important fixed ranged volume profile analysis where the buyers are sitting, where the sellers are sitting, right? That a higher time frame in the weekly chart. What I discussed is very simple, is that if market wants to fall down further, either it will go sideways first, or market will give us a good correction on top. People will call it pole and flag. Some people will later call, oh, head and shoulders pattern is happening, sir, neckline here. All that people will come if the price was higher. So just be patient. Don't be in a hurry to decide ATH or crash. All right. There's some important events that are happening next year, and it will be once in a lifetime opportunity again. We'll discuss that when time comes, but not now. I'll see you in another video, guys. I hope. Oh, okay. Wait. Hang on. Intraday levels. I forgot to mention this. Intraday, you have the weekly zones, you have everything. Those who only look for intraday, watch this important time now. Coming back to the comment which I told you, one important comment came in the Hindi channel that, sir, your analysis is fine, very nice, all the levels you're giving. Please upload daily levels. So right now, I told you already, my schedule is very busy, but I'll try to make. Recently, I ran a poll also. I ran a poll based on this. People, what do you want? Small videos for 3 to 5 minutes, or 5 to 10 minutes length, or you want good full content for 20 to 30 minutes video? So majority gave 20 to 30. We want full analysis. That is very hard to make. So what I'll do is I'll give you intraday levels and intraday time zones. This time and levels are dynamic. It has to change based on the structure. So for now, I gave you static levels. So if you look at this, key levels again, center of gravity sitting at 24,200 and 91. All right, the next level is 24,178, 24,66, and 23,950. These are the four levels. But my question is, what if a move comes like this in the market, 500, 400 points rally? That time, market levels will change, right? We'll have more extended levels on the downside. We have more levels on the top side, right? So at that time, what I need you to do is I want you to be connected with me either on Twitter, or you can be connected with me on the Telegram group. Telegram is easier because there I can instantly type in the message, because we'll with my underground traders group I'll be tracking stocks also, stocks with the weekly time zone. So for me it's much easier. So join the Telegram group. Again, I don't want to sell you anything. It's only for the levels. All right. Important time zone 9:43 a.m. I'm using a 4-minute chart, Nifty 4-minute chart. So recently I posted a cryptic tweet suggesting that all intraday secrets are there in the 4-minute chart. Now, important time zone 9:43 and 10:11. Now, question is, so what should I follow? Should I follow time or should I follow price? If you are still learning price action, if you don't need to follow time, follow the levels. What I want you to do is, these are the major levels. White levels are major. You want to find one structure, one ABC pattern, one what is that? Your wave 4 or wave 5 pattern, something near these major levels. Okay. Keep your minor levels also in mind. So this major level here on the downside is 843. Okay, whites noted, and then mark the red levels. Now, sir, there are so many levels. What should I do? That is the answer which I'm giving you. So many levels. What should I do with the levels? Buy or sell above it, buy above it, sell below it? No, not necessary, right? Structure matters more. Structure is the most important, right? Or else, or else, most important, leave the price. Time. Only time. 9:43, 10:11. So don't keep unrealistic expectations from the market intraday. 40 to 50 point scalp is enough. 40 to 50 point scalp in your demo account while practicing is more than enough. Market will reward sometimes 400 points, 300 points once in a blue moon. Fine, no problem. But keep your brain thoda expectation less. Don't be in that I want to make 5,000 rupees every day, 1 lakh every day, 10 lakh every day. Don't keep money targets with your trading. Keep systematic targets, entries, system, setup. These are your targets. I want to find a setup. Setup gives you money. Okay, the setup gives you money. Don't keep your money targets in your trading. All right. So we have intraday levels, and again, this is just the first part. The next part is to navigate it intraday. So this I'll give you live updates in the Telegram group. No, now the comment was, sir, you want intraday levels also, intraday analysis, so daily analysis videos. I'll do that in the Hindi and Tamil channel, right? So make sure you have subscribed there, Hindi and Tamil channels. I'll post daily updates. I'm going to try this for next week. I'll see what time I have, because I have to, after the Indian markets, I have to track the international markets also. So possibly around 6 o'clock, 6:30, I'll post every day for the next week at least, your intraday levels, or else in the night, 9 o'clock. Intraday levels, intraday times, as well as your uh, analysis. What is the expected structure? We'll combine intraday, weekly, and monthly at the same time. All right. So definitely leave me a like and subscribe, guys, if you really want these levels. Again, I'm not selling you anything. You can follow 10, 15 people, no problem. Do your thing. What I'm telling you is not for beginners. Beginners, when you finish 1, 2 years of your trading, you will come here. All right. Listen to this, what I'm telling you. After you finish 1, 2 years of your trading, you've seen enough market, then when you decide, okay, I want to learn more, then only you will come to my channel. That is guarantee, I'm telling you. So all the people who are following me right now, most of them are either highly professional veterans or looking for some new ideas in the market, or the second people are the ones who have gone through the phase of ups and downs from 2020, right? For them, 2-3 years they finished trading, now they're here. So beginners, if you're here, I'm telling you what I'm showing you. Just watch this, learn the Elliot master course. 2 years of your time will be saved. All right. Thank you guys. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and be safe.